Come on, man. We don't got all day.
Hey, Kyle! Hey, Kyle!
Isn't that the autistic kid that just transferred here?
Are you friends with him or something?
No. Why'd I be friends with a loser like that?
Wait, don't do that. He'll put you in checkmate.
Does it look like I asked you? Just be quiet. I know what I'm doing.
But I can help you get out of it.
Look, I don't need any help from some autistic kid, all right?
Yes! Checkmate. I won.
What? But how?
I told you that was gonna happen.
Just stop. You're not smart enough to understand how chess works. Now, kid lost.
Mums, stop. Please don't scroll past this. Just watch this video for an important message from polly.co.uk about how you can protect your family right now, today. My dad was my best friend. It was always kind of mum for cooking and taking me shopping, and dad would literally play any time of the day. He would let me put makeup on him, he would let me dress him up, he'd let me paint his nails if it kept me happy for an hour. And I remember just feeling like the luckiest girl in the world that my dad had this much time for me. And he got diagnosed with cancer when I think I'd just turned 14. And it was hard that year. He told me that he had cancer, but I didn't quite feel the volume of it. But I remember just thinking, he's going to be fine. He was a year in hospices. He had radiotherapy, he had chemotherapy. When I were in with my dad, I was so emotional. I just couldn't believe that he was going. Listen, my dad dying was the worst thing that's happened in my life. He passed in front of me. I look back and I don't know how this little girl dealt with it. I met death in the eyes through my best friend. That's one of my main drives of protecting my family, because I felt how heavy it was. When I took out life insurance, it wasn't an option for me. It was just okay, right, I'm getting life insurance. Let's see what I can get the best for my family. Every single thing comes with a tiny positive. You can always find something in it. And if that's what I get from my dad dying, that he taught me to be
Done.
That's correct. Well done. Now, the next team to get one right gets the extra credit.
Okay, who should we choose to go?
Me.
No! There's no way you're gonna get it right. You probably don't even know kindergarten math.
Okay. Have you decided?
Yes,
I'll go.
Okay. Ready? Set.
Go.
Kyle, stop by taking
Quiet. If I can't solve it, there's no way you can.
Done.
Let's see. Yeah. That's correct. Well done. Your team gets the extra credit points for the next test.
Dang, this wasn't fair. I don't know how we're gonna win when we've got special needs Sam on our team. What? Okay.
Yes, tie game. Next point wins.
Come on, huddle up, guys. You okay?
My ankle. It really hurts. I need to sit this one out. Sorry, guys.
Man, now what?
I can play.
No, Sam. Go away. You'll make us lose for sure.
But I've been practicing. I'm really good. I promise.
Well, we do need another player. I'd rather play 2-on-3. Come on, you can take them. Ugh, this sucks.
Kyle, why didn't you put me in? You know I've been practicing. You've seen me.
What's he talking about? Do you know him or something?
No, I have no idea who he is.
But I'm...
A nobody! You're just an autistic kid who'll never be able to do the things us normal kids can. So why don't you just get out of here? Special needs Sam.
Kyle! How could you say that to Sam?
I was just joking.
In my classroom, now. Yes, we are waiting for you in room 101. Great. Your mother is here.
Hi. I'm so sorry.
Please.
Kyle, what did you do this time?
Nothing.
Well, he called Samuel here special needs Sam at recess, and then wouldn't let him play with them.
How could you do that? To your own brother.
Brother?
I'm so disappointed in you.
What? It's not my fault he's autistic and has a disability.
Is that what this is about? Honey, autism is not a disability, it's just a different ability. Okay? Sam is not any less capable than you or I.
What are you talking about? Of course he is.
Oh, you'll see. Starting today, I want you to include him in every activity.
No way! That's so unfair.
Oh, well, it's either that or be grounded for a month. So, what's it going to be?
Fine.
Kyle sinks in his chair, so upset that he now has to include Sam in everything. The next day, Kyle is playing chess again during recess and doesn't know what move to make. When Sam offers his advice again, Kyle hesitates. But remembering the words of his mom, he takes Sam's advice and ends up winning the game. And then in class, another math competition takes place. Except this time, Kyle chooses Sam to go answer the last problem. Sure enough, Sam ends up getting it right and wins it for his team. Kyle starts to see how capable Sam really is. And then, as if Kyle needed any more confirmation, came the basketball match.
Yes! Next point wins.
Come on, guys. Settle up. We can't lose again like yesterday.
I can't play. My ankle's still not 100%. Sorry.
What are we gonna do now? I've got an idea. Hey, Sam! Wanna play with us?
Really? Yes!
Keep them covered. Okay. You made it! You did it! You know, Mom was right. Autism isn't a disability. It's just a different ability. Who knew you'd be better than all of us?
Hey Dhar Man fam, check out this next video. I know you're gonna love it.
Lewis, that's the second test you failed this month.
It's because he's dumb.
Who wants to read? Lewis,
Can Sonos read instead?
is there a problem?
Pea brain can't
I'm afraid you don't belong in this class.
Have fun in special ed, dummy.
did a bad, bad thing. Baby did a bad, bad thing.
Very Good Girl and Bad Boy Le Parfum by Carolina Herrera.
This is Go Henry. It's a card and an app. It teaches kids how money works safely. They customize their card and start learning. It reminds them to do that.
No, but seriously, as soon as I found out he drove a Honda, I got out of there as quick as I could.
No. Can I get you ladies anything else?
How about some shots of 1942?
Aren't those like $50 a shot?
Yeah, so we'll take 3.
Sounds good.
First the steak for lunch, then the shots of expensive tequila.
Oh, where is all the money coming from?
Oh, you know. Ever since I started dating Nelson. Over here.
You're dating Nelson?
Why? You'll see.
Hey, babe. Hey, guys.
Hey, babe. I'm sorry that you're a little bit late. We were just finishing up.
Oh, that's all right. I wasn't that hungry anyway, so.
All right, here we go. 3 shots of 1942. Can I get you anything, sir?
Yeah, just a glass of water. Thank you.
So, of course, I'm just gonna place the check right here.
I got it. Shoot.
What's wrong?
I left my card at home. Oh, I'm such an idiot.
Hey, now, don't call yourself that.
No, I told the girls that I was gonna take them to lunch and it was gonna be my treat. Now I can't, so I just feel really bad.
You know what? I'll take care of it.
No, I couldn't possibly.
No, really, it's okay. Here.
You're such a gentleman, Nelson.
Well, anything for my Pookie Bear. So, what should we do now?
Well, I was thinking maybe we could do a little bit of shopping.
That sounds good to me.
I'm down.
Here's your water, sir.
Thank you.
Of course. Oh, all set? No, Nelson Rodriguez. I have the same last name.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, you guys. Right?
This dress costs $150? This store is way too expensive.
Yeah, let's go somewhere else. I don't have that kind of money.
You guys just get what you want. It's fine. I'll have Nelson pay for it.
Seriously? He'll pay for us too?
How does he have so much money? So his mom owns this big financial company. She is loaded. Why else did you guys think I was hanging out with him?
Now it all makes sense.
Hello, ladies. Would you like to try this on?
Yes, she would. And if you have that dress in the same size but a different color, she'd like to try it on as well.
Absolutely. Come with me to the dressing room, ladies, and I'll get you set up.
Now you both have dresses to wear to my party tonight. Go try them on. I have work to do.
Hey, find anything you like?
Yeah, a couple pieces actually. But I probably shouldn't be buying anything right now.
Why not?
I didn't want to tell you. No, I shouldn't.
Hey, I'm your boyfriend. You can tell me anything.
Well, my mom is sick. And my dad just lost his job, so it's just been really stressful at home lately.
Oh my God, babe, I'm so sorry.
I just thought buying a few dresses would make me feel better, but I'll just put them back.
Wait, no. Now I feel bad. Just give them to me, okay? I'll buy them for you.
No, I can't let you do that. They're expensive.
That's okay. Whatever it takes to make my girl happy.
What did I do to deserve such a sweet boyfriend? Oh, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a couple more pieces from the dressing room.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Nelson? Hey, Nelson.
Adam?
Yeah, hi.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I actually work here. Yeah, and you are shopping for some dresses, I see.
No,
I'll see you outside.
Okay, sounds good.
Wait, I didn't know you were friends with Jennifer.
She's actually my girlfriend now. Yeah, we've been going out for a month. I'm buying these dresses for her.
Are you crazy? No, don't do that. No, she's basically the biggest user in town. Everyone knows that.
Okay, what are you talking about?
Do you remember Billy? Billy from high school?
Yeah,
Yeah, well, she basically used him for every dime he had. I'm telling you, man, she's not a good person.
No, Jennifer would never do something like that, so...
Well, you should talk to Billy. He'll tell you exactly what happened. Look, it makes me feel bad to tell you this, but she's just with you because of your money. I gotta go, but I'll catch you later, okay?
Seriously, babe, I still can't believe that you bought us all of these dresses. It's so sweet. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. So, should we all go get some ice cream or coffee?
Actually, I'm gonna have to start heading home, so I can be ready by 7.
Yeah, we wouldn't want to be late to your party tonight.
You're having a party?
Well, I wouldn't call it a party per se. It's more like a small group of my really close girlfriends and I hanging out.
Why didn't you tell me?
It was just sort of a last-minute plan, actually.
Yeah, we literally just decided this like a few minutes ago.
Hey, Jennifer. See you at your place at 7? We'll bring a bottle. Can't wait.
We better get going.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later.
Not much of a girls' night if those two guys are going, right?
Those two guys are the boyfriends to two of my really close girlfriends. They're in serious committed relationships. I had to invite them.
And we're not?
We are. But Nelson, you and I have been dating for less than a month. You need to relax. I promise you, you have nothing to worry about, okay? Let's go.
Hey, is everything okay?
My mom's condition got worse.
Babe. My God, I'm so sorry. Wait, are those the
I just found out that she got taken to the hospital in an ambulance. And insurance won't cover the cost.
Oh, is there anything I can do to help?
Oh, I'm really embarrassed to ask. But can I borrow $500? I promise I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
$500, that's a lot.
I knew I shouldn't have come here. This was a terrible idea. I'll just go.
No, I'm not saying I wouldn't give it to you. I just wasn't expecting this, that's all.
And you thought I was? Getting that phone call was the last thing that I wanted.
You're right. I'm sorry. I cannot even imagine what you're going through right now. Okay, is Venmo okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Send.
I just got it. Thank you so much, Nelson. I promise I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
I hope everything goes well with your mom.
Who? Oh yeah, me too.
Billy? Hey, it's Nelson.
I looked up the name of his mom's company on Wikipedia. Okay, Rodriguez Investments pulled in more than $25 million in revenue alone last year.
What? That's crazy.
I can't imagine how nice of a gift you're gonna get for your 1-month anniversary.
I know. He's been talking about it all week, says I'm gonna be super shocked.
Do you think he's gonna get you a Chanel bag?
Maybe a car.
Only thing that kind of sucks is I had to get him something in return. Couldn't show up empty-handed when he's getting me a super nice gift.
There he is.
FaceTime us immediately after you open up your gift.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary! I can't believe it's been a month already. Time flies when you're in love. Oh, I got you something.
Oh. You shouldn't have. Gucci. Wow, babe. A wallet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I got something for you too.
You shouldn't have.
But before you open it, there's something you need to know.
What is it?
Our relationship is over.
You're joking, right?
No. I don't want to be with you anymore, Jennifer.
What? Why not?
Because I know about your lies. You see, the other day I went to go meet someone you may remember. Billy. Turns out, 5 years ago, you told him the same sob story about your mom being sick and your dad losing his job in order to get money out of him. I couldn't believe it. Still, I decided to give you the benefit of the doubt. That's why I went to your parents' house. When I gave your mom a get well card, she looked confused. You know why? Because she's not sick. She told me that you guys haven't even spoken to each other in years, ever since you stole money from her. And just as I thought things couldn't get any worse, your dad came. And as soon as I saw him, I recognized the name on his shirt. Rodriguez Investments. Turns out he never lost his job. He's been working for my mom for years. So you see, it was all a lie. You were only using me for my money and I was just too blind to see it.
What? No, Nelson, you've got me.
Just save it. I'm done falling for your lies, Jen. Have a good life. Oh, and thank you for the wallet.
Nelson, you can't just leave me.
I mean, what if your sister doesn't like me? Not everyone understands our age difference. This